Summary statistics problem. Mileage of 17 vehicles are given: 27, 29, 33, 21, 21, 12, 16, 25, 8, 17, 24, 34, 38, 15, 19, 19 and 41. This is the input given in the problem. We have to calculate the summary statistic values and we have to draw histogram for the values, and we have to do rank analysis and percentile analysis. We will discuss one by one. Summary statistics, you know, it is descriptive statistics like arithmetic mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, maximum value, minimum value, number of values, geometric mean, harmonic mean, kurtosis. These are all summary statistics functions. We have to calculate using MS Excel functions. For that, you click F functions here, click more functions. You can see in MS Excel there are financial functions, date and time functions, mathematics and trigonometric functions, statistical, lookup and reference, database functions, text functions, logical functions, information functions, engineering functions and cube functions are available. Now we have to calculate statistical values, so click here. So you can see various functions available under this category: statistical, average, various types of averages, correlation, count, covariance, geometric mean, harmonic mean, kurtosis, longest value, maximum value, median, minimum value, mode. Like that we can do all statistical functions using this option. Now we are going to do one by one. Arithmetic mean of, I have typed the input from A2 to Q2 cells. You can see A2, A2, B2, C2, D2, E2, like this it goes up to Q2. Arithmetic mean means average. For that we are using the function. This is the answer, we got it using the function. I will show you the functions used for this. Keep the cursor here and type in the formula bar is equal to average A2 to Q2. A2 colon Q2. That means average of A2 to Q2 will be calculated and displayed here. You type the function here and press enter, you will get the answer. Next, median. For median, we are using the function median open bracket A2 colon Q2. Median of the range of values will appear here. Next, mode. For that we are using the function MODE. You can see here, this is mode. Similarly, standard deviation. For that we are using the function STD DEV. Next, variance. Variance of A2 to Q2. Maximum means maximum of the input values. Maximum is 41, so that is displayed here. Minimum is 8, that is displayed here. We are calculating the maximum value, minimum value using the function max and min respectively. Then count, how many values are here. Totally there are 17 values, it is displayed here. Then geometric mean, GEOMEAN A2 to Q2. Harmonic mean, HARMEAN A2 to Q2. Then kurtosis KURT A2 to Q2. I will tell you now how to use these functions. Come here, click more functions. For example, you want to find the average means, click here. It will show you the general format and explanation here. Returns the average of its arguments, which can be numbers or names, arrays or references that contain numbers. If you want more explanation, more help on this function, click here. You will get the explanation help with an example. Formula, what we are typing, what is the output we will get, everything is explained with an example. You can get help about each and every function. So you click here, click OK. A box appears. Here you have to mention the numbers. So we are selecting these all. Average of B2 to Q2. Here you can find the answer 23.25. Here we are finding the answer, that is average of B2 to Q2, that is 23.25. Final result is given here. But in the problem we are calculating from A2 to Q2. So that's what I have mentioned here. Average of A2 to Q2. Similarly, if you want median, click here, more functions. Click median. It tells you the general format and explanation. Click OK. It gives the number of numbers here. The answer is 21. Instead of selecting the values using this box, simply you give the formula here. In the formula bar, you will get the answer. This is a summary statistics explanation. Next, bar chart. For these values, input values, we have to draw bar chart. So first select the values. Click insert. There are different types of charts available. In that you click column and click this one. You are getting the graph here. In x-axis, vehicle numbers are given. There are 17 vehicles. In y-axis, the mileage is given. Now we have to customize this. X-axis give the label mileage, y-axis give the label vehicle number. You will get the graph like this. This is the output. Next, rank analysis. We have to rank these 17 values one by one. For example, what is the rank of the vehicle with mileage 27? What is the rank of the vehicle with mileage 29? What is the rank of the vehicle with mileage 33? Like that we have to calculate. For that there is a function called rank. For example, I am just clicking, you can see this is the function I used. Rank of A2, A2 means the current cell. First vehicle's rank, that is A2. Out of the whole vehicles, all 17 vehicles, that is A2 to Q2. The reference value is A2. You are getting here, this is 12th rank. It is actually in descending order. the vehicle with poorest mileage is first rank. The vehicle with highest mileage is last rank. You can see this is the vehicle with the highest mileage. It is in 17th rank. So the formula here we have to use is rank A2 next it is B2. What is the rank of second vehicle having mileage 29? So we are using B2 here out of this 17 vehicles. So I am giving the same range here, B2. Next C2, D2, E2, like this. First you type the formula here, then copy the formula to remaining cells, you will get the answer. The next is percentile analysis. For that there is a function called percentile. Percentile, it ranges from 0.0 to 1.1. So maximum you will have only 10 values. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sorry, 11 vehicles. 0.0 to 1.1, it is 11 values. So the function I used here is percentile of the input values A2 to Q2, 0. First is 0. If you type that function, you are getting the answer here. You copy the formula to remaining cells. Next is A2 to Q2, the value is 0.1. Next, you see the formula here, percentile A2 to Q2 0.2. Next A2 to Q2 0.3. Like this we are copying the formula to remaining cells, we are getting the answer. This is called summary statistics, histogram analysis and rank and percentile analysis.